This is a sad story of a Stanley 84 320 made in the USA. I call them vice grips. This vice grips pinched a number of places here, here, and here. What I was trying to do was remove these old weather stripping. It's a piece of lead with some kind of felt here, and it had these small nails, and they would pull through when I pulled this off, leaving a bit of nail exposed, and that needed to be pulled out from the wood. So I would pinch these vice grips on like this, and in the process of clamping it, there's pinch points here and here. And then what I would do is pull it like this or like this, and the nail would come out. Then it's time to release it, and you had to be careful you didn't get your finger skin in there. So I ended up with these 1, 2, 3 blood blisters. This one's almost gone. Now I had these in my tool bucket, so I was trying to do it with these, although the nose isn't the perfect kind of nose, but there's no pinch points here. This is not tight. It's hard to get your skin in between here, and it doesn't come up against here. Then I pulled out these cobalts, and the same thing. Even though this is clamped all the way tight, like you would have it like this, there's no pinching here. There's no pinching here. And when it comes time to release it, there's no, you can't get your skin in here. So this worked particularly well. So when shopping for vice grips, watch for pinch points here, here, and when you open it here. I tried to avoid it as much as I could, but I was doing hundreds of these, and I would inevitably get myself in harm's way. So I'm thinking that maybe other people, before they go buying a pair of vice grips or clamp on pliers, that you would watch for pinch points, because they will cause blood blisters.